Be the envy of your friends in this 2009 Ford Falcon.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.